Hi everyone. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Today we are going to see a data structure element where we are going to see doubly linked list. Okay. Doubly linked list. Doubly linked list directly. Okay. Before that, how many of you know this data structure? Yes. Okay. Let us see what it is. Okay. Don't worry. I'm going to explain what it is, what doubly linked list. Okay. First, when we come to the doubly linked list, that means there can linked list means that consists of nodes. Okay. Uh, what is a node? What is a node in a linked list? Node is a element which consists of data and the address. Okay, address. Why? Why we need this address? Because to link through another node. Okay, to link through other node. For example, there are three types of linked list: single linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list. Right? So in doubly linked list, if you want to insert a node, what we will do? We will take one node. Hello, am I audible? Hello? Yes. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
My bad.
Yes, yes.
I just unmuted
Okay. Okay.
myself.
If there any difficulty, please
Sorry.
let me know. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. Single linked list. That means we are going to use before single linked list. Let us see what it is. Okay. Single linked list means that consists of nodes, but the last node of single linked list consists a address as a null. Okay. For example, if I want to join two nodes in a single linked list, that means I need address of the second node. Okay. Second node. If I give the address of the second node in the first node, then only I can establish one link. Okay. This is what a linked list, because we are linking with the address. That means it is called a linked and nodes. Linked with the nodes, we will call it as a single linked list. Here we are going to take single linked list. Okay. If I want to link this node with other node, the other node consists of address 300. Okay. Let us take 30 here. Okay. If I place 300 here only, then only I can link. Okay, then only I can link, because it is a linked list. Okay, if I keep here null value, that means no another node is inserted after 30. Right? If there is no address, that means there is no link, and that is the end of the node. Okay, that is the end of the node. This we will call it as single linked list. Here only one direction of implementation is done, right? No other in reverse direction, because we can identify a single linked list where the last node consists of null value, okay? And the node in the single linked list consists data and the address, right? Data and the address. Yes, are you getting this one? Yes? Hello? Can you respond? Can you respond?
Yes,
Anyone?
yes.
Yes.
Yes? Yes? The data and the address. That means we are linking through the address. Or this is what single linked list. Okay. Let us discuss double linked list now. Okay. Here, when I'm calling double linked list, that means here, see, the overall linked list consists of nodes only. Okay. But there is a difference in the nodes. For example, if I take doubly linked list, in the doubly linked list, a node consists of three elements. Okay, there are one is data. Okay, one is data and two address. Okay, two addresses. Okay, let us see what are the two addresses we have in the doubly linked list. Okay, one address is the previous address of the previous node. Okay, previous node, and the next address of the next node. Yes, we have a doubly linked list with a node. We have three elements in the node, the double linked list, one data, the next address of the next node, and the previous address of the previous node. Okay, let us see how it is, how we can form this one. Okay, for example, let us take 10 here. Okay, 10 here. The data is 10 here. Okay, if I want to link this 10 with another node, let it be 20. Okay, let it be 20. Okay, let us assign some address to this one. Okay, this is sample address. Okay, not exactly address we have. The address will be different. Okay, I'm taking for example. Let us address of the second node will be 200. Okay, and third node address will be let us take 300, and the data is 30. Okay, let us take fourth node also. Okay, fourth node also. Right? Did you get the clear view of what is a node? A node is nothing but the combination of data and the address, right? Data and the address. A node consists of data and the address of the next node. That next node address will be linked. So when we give address of the next node, that means we can establish one link between a nodes. That we will call it as a linked list. Okay, linked list. Okay, let us take some address here, 400. Okay, if I want to link this node with this node, what I have to give? Have to give the address of the next node. The next node address is 200. Then only I can link one, right? I can draw one arrow with another node. This is what a linking with the address. Okay. Now, what I told you, right? A node in a double linked list consists of previous node address and the next node address, right? Here 20. What is the previous node address we have? Can anyone respond? Yes.
10,
Address. I'm asking about address.
100,
See,
100.
these are the addresses. Okay, this is the data value. Okay, this is the data value, and these are the address. Okay, these are the addresses only. Okay, the previous node address is 100. That means we can give another link also here, right? We have established two links. First, hello, hello, who is that? Right? That means we can establish two links, right? Two links, because it is called as a double linked list. Can you tell me the next address of 20 data value?
300.
Yes, 300, right? Because it is the address, right? Next address, next node address. So we can establish one link, okay? One link, forward link. If I want to give another link in this way, what I have to do? Have to give the previous address of the previous node. Yes or no, right? Yes, yes,
Yes.
200. Then only I can give another link to the previous node. If I want to link another node with the data of 40, what I have to do? I have to give the address here. Which address? Next node address. Then only I can give one link. Right? Now, if I want to link in the reverse link, what I have to give here? Yes, 300. Then only I can give another link like this. This is, we will call it as double linkage. But here, the previous address of the beginning node is null. Okay, because there is no another node before the beginning node, right? If you want to start something, we should have some data, right? But we don't have any previous address because we don't have any a node before beginning. Okay, no node before beginning. Okay, if you want to end that node in a double linked list, we need to place in the next address null. Okay, here we have a null values at the head. Okay, let us call it is also as head. Okay, let us call it as a head. Okay, it has a tail. Okay, that means if you want to define a double linked list, you can define like this, right? From here, in a double linked list, it consists of a node. A node consists of three things. What are they? One data and two addresses. Two addresses is nothing but previous address and next address. Okay, next address. This we will call it as a node. Okay, node in a double linked list. But how you can define this one? Why it is better than single linked list? Let us see. Okay, because in this double linked list we can traverse through one direction and we can traverse to another direction also. It is possible because there is two links. That means it is quick and easily we can insert and delete a node in the double linked list. Is that clear? Right? The advantages are traverse. Okay, in traverse in both direction. Okay, in both direction, and we can insert an element, insert or delete like manipulation. Okay, delete node easily. Okay, easily when compared to single link, because in single link list we have only one link, right? That means we can travel through only one direction. No, there is no way to travel back. Yes or no? Right? It may create some difficulty to insert or delete. It will take that insertion deletion part, but when compared to double linked list far better than single link. That is the advantage and the meaning of the double link. Okay, did you understand these concepts up to now, right? Yes.
Yes.
If you have any
Yes.
doubt, you can ask. Yeah, yeah. Please ask me if you have any doubt up to now. Okay, we will discuss circle link. Am I going fast? Hello, anyone, please. Am I going
Clear.
fast?
No, we are
No,
clear.
no, good.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Let us discuss circular linked list. Okay. Circular linked list. Okay. We have discussed single linked list and double linked list. Double linked list consists of three things in a node: the previous address, next address, and the data. Right. Data part is the main part which we are accessing. Okay. Here in the circular linked list, here circular linked list also called as a single linked list, but we have a link in the circular form. Let us see how it is. Okay. For example, let us take a value 10. Okay. Let's take a value 10. Okay. 20. Okay. 20. Let us assign some example addresses. Okay. 100, 200, and 100, 200, and 300. Okay. 300 here. If I want to link another node, what I have to do? I have to give address of the next node here, and I have to give one link. Yes or no? Right? Yes. After that, if I want to link 20 with 30, I have to give 300 here, right? 300 here, and I have to link. Okay. And if I take, let us take another node. Okay, 40. Let it be address will be 400. Okay, if I want to link 40 with the 30, what I have to give? I have to give address here, 400. Okay, 400, and we need to link this one. Okay, but in the single linked list, what will have at the end of the node? The end node consists of null value. The address has a null value. But in the linked list, we need to establish a link in the form of circular form. That means we can give the address of the first head node. Okay, head node. So it is called as circular linked list. Okay, circular linked list. Okay, that's why a link is established in the form of circular form. Okay, this is what we call as circular linked list. And let us discuss some terminologies here. Okay, here the first node we will call it as head node. Okay, the last node we will call it as tail. Okay, tail. And this is the three types of uh, linked list. Okay. Okay. Now let us discuss how to insert. Okay, we will see only double linked list here. Okay. It is better, right? When we see the complex data structure, it is better to understand with other points. There are easy. Okay. Somewhat difficult. Double linked list is somewhat difficult when we compare to those two techniques. Okay. Double linked list. Okay. Okay, let us see in the programming how we can insert that element. Okay, if I want to create a double linked list, okay, let me create a node, okay, node. Okay, this is some object declaration in the Java, okay, object declaration in the Java. First, we know that, right? First element is called as head value only, right? Head value only. Okay, let us draw some values here. Okay, then only we are getting the right way. Okay, okay, just you have to fill this address. Okay, address. Okay, 200, 300, and 100. Okay, if I here 200 and here 100, here 300 and here 200 and here null and here null. This is what double linked list, right? For example, if you want to create a code on this one, okay, let us see how it is. Okay, node. Okay, let us take one constructor node head. Okay, because we are calling the first node as the head. Okay, as a head equal to new new node of new node of what is the data value here? 10. Okay, I'm inserting in the head node 10. Okay, now I have to assign the addresses, right? We have created one node, but we haven't assigned any addresses to this. Okay, let us see how we can address. Can I write head dot next? See, when I tell you dot next means it is an address. Okay, when I tell you dot next of that value, that means address. Okay, this is address. The previous means the previous address. Dot. Okay, if I call head dot next means we know 20 because it is an address of 200. But here head dot next is 200, right? It consists of address. So it is denoting 20 only indirectly. But head dot next means address. Okay. Head dot next means address of that value. Okay. That value. If I call head dot previous means the address of the previous node. Okay. Address of the previous node. Here the head dot previous is null, nothing but null. Right? Null. Yes or no? Right? Okay, let us see some initialization here. Okay, first, okay, let us take head dot next equal to can I take n1 because I'm assuming this as a head. Okay, I'm assuming this as a n1 and I'm assuming this as a n2 node. Okay, node 1, node 2 and head node. Okay, if I want to link a double link list with other node, what I have to do? I have to link with addresses only, right? What is the address of the n1? 200. If I call head dot next means this head dot next equal to address of the n1. Okay. Now let us create address for the n1. Okay. Can I give n1 dot next equal to, okay, n1, sorry. Before that we need to initialize previous address of the next node. Can you tell me what is the address of the previous address of the n1 here? Anyone, please. Right? The previous address of the n1 is nothing but the address of head only. Can I write n1 dot previous equal to head?
Head. Yes.
Right? Head. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
can you tell me we need to initialize another address here. n1 dot next. Okay? n1 dot next equal to what I have to give? Just tell. n1 dot next equal to anyone,
N2.
please.
Tail.
n1 dot next equal to
N2.
n2 because the next address is 300, right? We have to link with other node 300. That's why
Yes.
n1 dot next equal to n2. Now
Yes.
can you tell me
Hmm.
what is the previous address of n2?
It's 200
Previous
by
address of the
N2.
n2
N2 equal N1.
is what is the previous address of the n2 node?
N1.
Just see here n1. That's it, right? You have successfully created one node in a double linked list. This is what the code. That's it. There is nothing mystery or something. Okay, this is what the creation of an insertion of a node in a double linked list. Okay, double linked list. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Yes, any doubts from three methods? From three methods. Any doubts?
No.
Please.
No.
No, right? Is that
Yeah.
clear, right? Up to now.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let us see one insertion part. Okay. For example, I want to insert a node in the beginning of a double link. Okay. Insert a node at the beginning of a double link list. Okay. Double link list. Double link list. Okay, let us see how we can insert a node in the beginning of double link. Okay, we know, right, what is double linked list? Yes, what is double linked list? It consists of previous node as null 200, and we are going to take 20, and the previous will be 100, 200, 100, and let us take 300 because next node address is 300. Am I missing anything here? Can you tell me what I am missing? Yes. Yes, I want answers. Okay. Can you tell me what I am missing here? Yes, I am missing another link because it is a double link list. Okay. Double link list. I'm missing another link. That's right. Okay. Now I want to insert a node before head node. Okay. Before head. How can I insert? Okay. Let us see. How can I insert a node at the beginning of the node? Okay. The double link. If I want to insert a new node here, what I have to do? What I have to do? I have to make null value as the address of the new node, right? New node address, new node. Okay, let us take new node dot next equal to what? Head. Can I
Head.
tell like this? Because it is 100. Okay, let us insert 5. Okay, 5 as a value. That means what is the previous address of the head? Previous
If
address
you
of the
give
head.
if you give 50 or something for the new node address, that would be the
Okay,
address.
I'm giving 50. Okay, 50.
50 is the
It
address.
will become 50. But how to denote here with code?
With code.
Head dot prev equals to new node.
Yeah.
That means it will create. But the previous address of the first node will be null. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
This is how we can insert a node at the beginning of a double linked list. Okay? Double linked list. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let us see some sample codes. Okay, let me show you that codes also. Okay, see how it is created. Let us see this. Okay, first what it is, int data. Why I'm taking int data here? Because a double linked list consists of what? 3 elements, right? The previous node address, and the next address, and the data value. Okay, why I'm taking node here in Java? If I create some class, it consists some address. Okay, that's why I'm giving a node here, right? A data, previous address, and next address. But the value is inserted only on data value only, but address will be taken by the program itself. Okay, we don't need to give any address, just we need to declare class name here. It will take the address. Okay, address. This is a creation of a double link. Okay, and you can see, right, we have discussed about this one. When I insert node head equal to new node dot 10 and n1 equal to 20, n2 equal to 30, that means head dot next equal to n1, and n1 dot prev equal to head, n1 dot next equal to n2, n2 dot prev equal to n1. Right. After that, we will see how to display these nodes. Okay. If I want to display that nodes or that double linked list, what we have to do? I am taking. Wait. Okay. What I'm taking, simply, I'm taking the first node. Okay, let us here the first node is 50, right? Okay, let us assign current variable here. Okay, let us declare some current variable to the first node. If I write one while loop, okay, one while loop, but where how many steps? How can I traverse through this link? We will see. Okay, if I write current dot next, okay, current dot next means what is the current value? 5. What is the current dot next? 10. When I write current dot next means it will give 20, right? Here current value is current equal to 5. Vishnu, okay, the current value is 5. If I write current dot next, what is the value? 10 we will get. Okay, current dot next dot next means we will get 20, right? Current next dot next dot next means we will get 30 because